have never done physics before. I have no idea about it.
It's very simple.
Okay. Psychology.
Psychology. Which semester did you say you were?
Second semester.
Second
This
semester.
is my second semester.
Yeah. And which LGS?
Gulberg branch for TNC.
Which one is that? We have the garlic market.
Gulberti, opposite to Raja Saab.
Okay, there's one there. I didn't know that. Yes.
So my name is Sahib Khan.
Sahib Khan.
Yeah.
Did you send me an email?
Yes, indeed. I actually got registered. Yes, I got registered. I got one seat. Yes, I got my seat. So seat exception is not required now.
Yes. Okay. Fine.
So
that's what I told you, because this semester, this course was opened later on for students who were, freshmen who were coming in and so on.
Thank you for your response.
That's no problem.
So I've also done my ICS from FC College.
Your what?
ICS. Yes. And my major was computer science, but now I have two majors, philosophy and English literature.
Wow, you completely changed. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your semester?
This is my 6th semester.
6th. Okay, good. Okay, so you had physics in ICS.
No, I had statistics.
You didn't have physics?
No.
Okay, you're fine. Yes.
My name is Nashra Rashid and I've done...
That's so fast. Yeah.
My name is Nashra Rashid.
Nashra Rashid. Okay.
I've done my A-levels from City School Ravi campus.
Okay. You've done what?
A-levels.
A-levels.
It's my second semester.
Second semester, and your major?
Psychology.
Psychology. And before this you did A-levels without physics?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm Nawab Siddiq.
Nawab Siddiq.
I've done my A-levels from stages.
Which one?
First of all.
Okay. You're a housewife?
Yes.
Okay. What semester are you in? Second semester. Oh, your major was?
I've not decided.
You've not decided. Okay, students who are host guys normally can come even every day.
Every day.
Yes, you have that advantage, right? Is there any other host guy? You're also a host, so you can come every day, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
My name is Nebra Arif and I'm...
yeah.
My name is Nebra Arif and I've done my
Nebra Arif. Yeah, because you're not introducing just to me, you're introducing to the whole class. I would like you to be a team, right? I would like you to get to know each other, right? Okay.
And I've done my A-levels from Beacon House, Liberty, and this is my second semester.
Without physics?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And your major is?
Psychology.
Psychology. Good, great. It's good to know you all. And so we can proceed with the course. So, one of the basic things about the course, of course, is the course outline, the syllabus, right? What we will study. And as I have just been talking about these things, so let's discuss. This is all the course outline. You have all this information in the course outline that will be uploaded to Moodle. You can also call it the syllabus. So you have this information there. And about the textbook, the name of the textbook is Physics in Context. So this is by if you want, you can buy the book. If you don't want to buy the book, then you can get the chapter. We're just going to cover 5 chapters, okay? So you can get chapter-wise photocopies from the photocopier, or I can also upload the PDF on Moodle, and you can download it. But I would like you to have a hard copy with you, okay? So you cannot really seriously study something from the phone, okay? The phone is okay just for a reference. But for serious study, I would like you to bring the handout, the chapter that we're doing, like we started chapter 1, bring the hard copy in the next class that we done, okay? So whether you print it or you photocopy it or whatever, or if you want the book, there are also some books in the library as well. You can get student editions, but then we're not going to cover the whole book, okay? We are going to cover a few chapters. So just bring the relevant chapter to the class, then it will be easier for you to follow, okay? Because I will be referring to the material in the book, and then you can solve. Also, when you come to class, please bring a notebook and a calculator, okay? Because this is a kind of problem solving you can see, right? Okay, so that's clear. Yeah, YouTube recording. We'll put this on YouTube. Okay. And then we talk about, you know about academic integrity. We all know about this. It's in your handbook. You can have a look. We all follow the same rules. Yeah? Technology use, yeah, since you know that we are doing a lot of work virtually now, you should be comfortable with all the apps that we are using, right? You can play with them, practice with them, the devices that you're using. It's always preferable to use a laptop for serious work, right? I know you use the phone here, but if you at home, if you use the laptop, I think it would be better, right? Also, there are times when students are not very familiar with their devices, so you practice using their devices so that when we are actually doing the work, you don't have a problem, right? Okay, so the grading of the course. The grading of the course, the assessment criteria, right? So for the assessment, you will have quizzes, you will have assignments, let's make a timeline for our course, okay? Let's do a timeline, and then so that you can also make your calendar and I can make mine, and then we can proceed accordingly. So we'll start with assignment 1. Okay. Then we will go to quiz 1. Then we will go for the midterm. And assignment 2. And quiz 2. And then you have the lab exam. Yes, like you know, we have a lab component, right? There are 2 ways that we're doing the labs these days because of this online offline thing, okay? So when we get a chance to come on campus, you'll be doing the lab work in the lab, like I just told you. But if and when we have to go completely online, then we will be doing the experiments in a virtual lab. You know what a virtual lab means, right? There are some sources online where you have a virtual lab link, and what you're doing in the lab, you can do a simulation on that link. Like for example, if for example you have to prove F is equal to ma, right? You're applying you have a certain mass and you're applying a certain force. What's the acceleration? That kind of experiment you can. There are some applets and some virtual sources where you can go there and you can change the values and you can move objects and make circuits. It's fun actually. It's like a game. Okay, it's not difficult. It's very easy. Of course, we'll give you the instructions for that. Okay, so we will be using both modes, and we will also for the examination. Yes, for the final exam, it depends on the situation. Like I know we've done enough of this virtual thing now. You have been doing it as students, and we've been doing it as teachers. We're now familiar with this. Yes. So keep both things in mind. The course has been designed in a way that if you can come physically, we'll do it physically. If you cannot, then we'll do it online. Everything, including theory and the lab and the exams. So we have both options open. So we will learn and study accordingly. Okay. The people who have just given their FSC or their A levels, how were your exams conducted? Were they online or offline?
Which exams are?
Have you recently given your
exam
of intermediate.
Intermediate did not have any exams?
No, I don't think so. First year didn't have.
No, ma'am, everyone was promoted on the basis of their previous
No, but
marks.
the final year,
The final day gave exam. Matric and second year gave exams.
they did give exams. And how did they give them?
No, ma'am. The metric one students gave the exam, but after that, Corona and every situation happened and lockdown was imposed. 9th exams were cancelled.
No, I know 9th and 11th were cancelled,
Yeah.
but then
my cousin was also going to give the second exam. But
Second year were also cancelled. Only 10th class gave exams.
So how were this second year?
We
got promoted.
Yeah.
No, your admission, like for the admission, you had to show some result, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, the board, I guess, previous marks.
You are among those people who had to go through this. So you are resilient. You know this, right? That's okay. But I think it's more flexible here, right? because in your case you had to go through the board and the Cambridge and all that, but in this case it's within the university that we're doing this, right? Okay, fine. So lab exam, and it can be online, it can be offline, depends on the situation. Okay, and then the final exam. So this is the assessment plan. I would like to set the dates. For this purpose, how much time do we have now? We have enough time, okay? Yeah. So I would like you, this is your homework, bring this chapter, okay? I'm not asking you to study the whole chapter, but at least you should have this chapter, okay? And also, you should get this handout before the next class, which is on Wednesday, okay? And get a notebook and a calculator every time you're coming to class, because we will be solving problems. Yes?
Which handout?
You came a little bit late, right?
Yes.
Okay, I told you that we are going to do chapter 1, and this chapter 1 is available with the S block photocopier. You can take it from him. Okay, and I will also upload a soft PDF. If you want to take it from there, you can take it.
I mean, can you do that, because I would print that? Yeah, I have a printer, so
Fine. It will be more expensive for you. It's easier to get it from the photocopy.
I think
It's cheaper. Anyway, I'll do both.
Okay.
It's fine for me. I'll do both. Okay. And for the lab handouts, again, you can. There are 2 sets available with the photocopier. Hundreds. Tell him it's for physics 100. And buy both sets at the same time. It will be easier for you. But if you want to buy only one, be sure that you buy the first one, not the electricity one. The electricity one is later on, and the other one will be in the beginning.
Is this available online?
Huh?
Is this available in PDF, soft copy, handouts?
Yeah, I think so. I'll also upload that. Okay. You want everything in soft? Okay.
Yeah, I would just.
Okay, fine. Right. So the people who came afterwards, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have also seen the modes of communication that we're using. You also know that your user ID should be your proper name and roll number, right?
Ma'am, will we not have a WhatsApp group? That would be easy.
You want a WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That would be more easier to communicate. That
You know, online has its advantages, it also has its problems. So WhatsApp group is a very informal way of communication.